Hello and welcome to Medy Wellness, the kitchen segment. We continue with complementary baby foods. Today we prepare a snack for baby at 6 to 7 months. We need hot cooked ugali, fermented milk or yogurt, a measuring cup, a fork to mash ugali, fruits, and some water. We measure out 100 mils of fermented milk or yogurt. Scoop about 50 milligrams of hot ugali and mash with a fork to the smallest lumps. Because when you add in milk, it should be a smooth paste. Baby is learning how to chew and swallow foods, so the food should be palatable. You see, small lumps. So we add in milk a little bit at a time and make sure that it is well mixed and the lumps are very small. The mixture should be smooth. Ugali is a common food in Africa that is made from corn flour, and it's nutritious. Remember, we can have fermented milk or yogurt because these are probiotics and they're very nutritious for baby. Now see the food. When you're adding in milk, don't make it watery. It has to fall off the spoon. There, and measure little amounts at any one time. Give also some fruit and some water. Thanks for watching. Kindly share, tell a friend about us, like, share, and subscribe.